Welcome. Today we'll walk you through the process of subscribing to YouTube TV. To begin, navigate to tv.youtube.com and sign into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From there, access the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Membership. Within the Membership section, you'll find various subscription options offered by YouTube TV. Choose the subscription plan that best fits your preferences and needs. After selecting your preferred membership, click on Add to proceed. You'll then have the opportunity to customize your plan further. This may include options like adding additional features or upgrading to a higher tier plan. If you have a promo code, enter it during this step and click Apply to redeem any available discounts. Next, click on Next to proceed to the checkout process. Select your preferred payment method, whether it's through debit, credit card, or PayPal. Once your payment method is selected, click on Start Membership to finalize your subscription. Provide any necessary information to complete the subscription process. Congratulations! You've successfully subscribed to YouTube TV. Enjoy streaming your favorite content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.